Once upon a time in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Alina. Alina was known far and wide for her radiant smile and cheerful disposition. But what most people didn't know was that Alina had a secret, a hidden source of happiness that made her life truly extraordinary. Alina lived in a charming cottage on the outskirts of the village, surrounded by a lush garden filled with vibrant flowers and aromatic herbs. She had a special bond with the natural world, a connection that ran deeper than anyone could fathom. Her secret lay in the garden, where she could often be found, tending to her beloved plants and conversing with the local wildlife. Alina had discovered at a young age that she had a unique gift, the ability to communicate with the animals and plants around her. Birds would sing to her with joyful melodies, and the flowers would share their vibrant colors in response to her gentle touch. She could even heal wounded animals with her soothing presence and whispered words. In the village, people marveled at her green thumb and her ability to make the most withering plants flourish. They had no idea that Alina's conversations with nature were filled with laughter and wisdom. The flowers would share tales of their growth, the birds would sing of the wonders of the sky, and the trees would whisper the secrets of ages past. Alina's secret happy life revolved around these interactions with the natural world. She found solace and companionship in the flora and fauna that surrounded her. It was this bond that brought her genuine happiness, a happiness that couldn't be measured in material wealth or social status. One day, as the village faced a severe drought, Alina's secret gift became her greatest asset. She whispered words of encouragement to the thirsty land, and it responded with newfound life. Rain finally blessed the village, rejuvenating crops and filling wells. The villagers were in awe, and they began to realize the extraordinary connection Alina had with the world around her. Her secret was no longer a secret, but it brought a newfound sense of unity and appreciation for the natural world among the villagers. They started to nurture their own gardens and care for the environment, inspired by Alina's unwavering bond with nature. Alina's life, once quietly extraordinary, had become a beacon of hope and happiness for her entire village. Her secret happy life, built upon her unique connection with the world around her, had not only filled her heart with joy but had also enriched the lives of those around her, proving that happiness can be found in the most unexpected and beautiful places. As Alina's fame as the village's nature whisperer grew, so did her responsibilities. The villagers came to her seeking guidance not only for their gardens but also for their personal problems. They believed her ability to understand nature's language meant she possessed great wisdom, and in many ways, they were right. Alina's secret happy life evolved into a role as a counselor and healer for her community. She offered a listening ear and comforting words to those in need. Her garden became a sanctuary, a place where people could find solace and advice, whether they were facing difficult decisions, loss, or simply seeking a sense of peace. But as the demands on her time increased, Alina never lost sight of what brought her the deepest joy, her connection with the natural world. In her moments of solitude, she would continue to engage in heartfelt conversations with the garden's residents. She learned more about the interconnectedness of life, the delicate balance of the ecosystem, and the wisdom that could be found in the simplest of flowers. Over time, Alina's garden flourished not only in beauty but also in diversity. She transformed it into a haven for various rare and endangered species, which thrived under her care. Her dedication to preserving the environment became a beacon for those who were passionate about protecting the earth. Word of Alina's work spread far and wide. People came from distant lands to seek her wisdom and witness the beauty of her garden. She hosted workshops to teach others how to communicate with nature and care for the environment. Her influence extended beyond the village, inspiring a global movement of nature enthusiasts and environmentalists. As the years passed, Alina's impact on the world continued to grow. She had turned her secret happy life into a source of happiness and inspiration for countless people. And yet, she remained the same cheerful and humble woman, tending to her garden and the hearts of those around her, all while holding close the secret that had brought her this extraordinary, happy life.